Hey, how's it going? Today we're taking a look at Jurassic Park 92 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. This one is number 18. This is from a movie that came out in 1993. It's the back of the card art there. What a great movie. I loved this movie as a kid. I just loved dinosaurs in general. Let's get this thing opened up. Man, alive, I've been having a hard time opening these lately. So this particular Jeep number 18 in the film, took Alan Grant, Ellie Sattler, and Ian Malcolm from the helipad down to the visitor center. And that was the only time it was seen in the first movie. They did find it in a garage in Jurassic World, and that is it, specifically for number 18. Let's take a look at the details on this thing. It's obviously from Hot Wheels Pop Culture Premium line. It's all metal. Metal top, metal base. It's got rubber tires. This back tire is plastic. This one's not metal. So just the side. It's kind of a bummer. Be cool if they would have stuck one of these on the back, but that's okay. Still a very cool casting. It's great for the nostalgia. I was super excited when I found this. Look at the details. The details are just astounding. Got the Jurassic Park logo there on the side. Iconic. We've got the license plate on the front. GP18 on there. Anyways, there you have it, folks. Let me know down in the comments, did you guys enjoy Jurassic Park? Do you still enjoy it? I haven't watched the new movies. I don't even know what they're called. Is it Jurassic World? Must be Jurassic World. Yeah, so it's Jurassic Park. I think there's 3 of those movies, and then it's Jurassic World. I did see the first Jurassic World. I haven't seen any after that. I don't even know how many there are. So anyways, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to be cracking that guy open pretty soon. So if you subscribe, you'll get to see that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.